Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to make bootable USB drive for your Windows 11. So firstly you need to open your browser and in the search bar you need to type Windows 11 download, and once you search it, here you will see the official site from Microsoft. So we just need to open it. Then here you will see the option for download Windows 11 disk image ISO for 64 devices. So here we need to select this version, a multi-edition ISO for 64 devices, and just click on download. Then here select the language. I'll choose English, then confirm. And yeah, here you will see the option for 64-bit download. So we just need to click here, and once you click here you will see the downloading is started. So this file is about 5.4 GB of size, so it will take couple of minutes. Now once your download is done, just open the new tab, and now here we're going to download next software by the name of Rufus. Just type Rufus and you will see this site. So we just need to again open this site. Here we have to scroll a bit, and here we need to download this version. Here you can see that. So if I click here, you will see the downloading is started and it is already downloaded. So it is of around 1.5 MB, so it will not take that much time. And yeah, now just close the browser and we just need to open that software. But before that, make sure to open a file explorer and confirm that the drive which we are going to convert into bootable drive should be empty and should contain at least 8 GB of space. And the drive, if anything is there, you need to back up that and put anywhere else and just format the drive. My drive is already formatted and nothing is there, so I'll just convert it into bootable drive. So in order to do this, we need to look into the folder where we have downloaded the Rufus software. So it is downloaded in my download folder. Here you can see. So we just need to open the software. Then you will see the pop-up, and there we need to click on yes. And here in this pop-up we just need to click on no. And yeah, here you can see in device they have detected my drive. If they don't, in your case, you need to click on this drop down icon and just select your drive from here. And in some cases, if you are using external hard disk or SSD, you need to click on this icon and check this list USB hard drive option, and from there you will able to see your drive. Next we need to click on this select option, and here we need to locate to the file which we have downloaded from Microsoft. My file is in sample data and this is the file which we have downloaded. So I'll just double click on it. Now here we just don't need to do anything and just click on start, click on OK, again click on OK here, and yeah, here you can see the process is started. So it will take some minutes. And yeah guys, here you can see the process is done and we are getting status as ready. So here we just need to close it, and if I go and open my file explorer, you will see that our USB drive is renamed to CCCOMA, and it means that the USB drive is successfully converted into bootable drive and you are ready to go. Now if you think I was a big help, can you please subscribe my YouTube channel? If you do, I would really appreciate it. But for now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.